Your home is your refuge for health and comfort. You work hard to keep that home at its best, but sometimes the things you can't see affect your health and comfort the most, and can affect the quality of the air you breathe. That's where Lee Company can help. Over time, dust, debris, and allergens will build up in your ductwork. Our whole home duct cleaning process provides a top-of-the-line solution. Other systems just use brushes or agitators. These succeed in riling up the dust, but not necessarily removing it, or getting hard to reach areas. They are also more likely to damage the more fragile parts of your ductwork, and at the end, they can pull dust and debris into your home, causing an unwanted mess. The Lee Company whole home duct cleaning system is different. We use versatile, lightweight carbon fiber rods that are capable of cleaning all types of ductwork with less likelihood of damage. While these work, a negative air machine is connected to your ductwork, providing high-powered suction. This pulls all debris back through the ducts and away from living spaces. We pair this with HEPA filtration, using a 3-stage filter system capturing 99.97% of particles. This strong negative air suction ensures that we clean your entire heating and air conditioning system, and not just your ductwork, giving you peace of mind and comfort in your home. Ready to get started? Protect your family's health and comfort with your whole home duct cleaning. We're Lee Company.